In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new OneDrive account, a simple process that can be completed in just 3 minutes. To begin, you'll need to open the OneDrive app on your desktop or laptop. If it's your first time, you'll likely need to download the app from the Microsoft Store or directly from OneDrive's official website. Once it's installed, locate the app on your computer and open it. This is the starting point where we will initiate the process. Upon opening the OneDrive app, your focus should go to the Settings menu. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Sync and Backup. Clicking on this will bring up several options related to syncing and backing up your data. For our purpose of adding a new account, your attention should be directed to the Manage Backup option. Click on this to move forward to the next step in the process. Once you are in the Manage Backup section, your objective is to find the Account option. This is usually visible among other settings related to your current OneDrive account information. By clicking on Account, you open up new possibilities for managing your existing account or even adding new ones. Now you're getting closer to your goal here. Within the account settings, you'll encounter an option labeled Add an Account. This is your gateway for adding a new OneDrive account to your app. Click on it when you're ready, and you will be prompted to enter the details of the account you wish to add, whether it's an account you already have or you're starting fresh. Now, this step is pivotal as it solidifies your action. You should now see an option to Sign In. Clicking this requires you to enter the credentials of the new account you're adding. Be prepared to input the email address and password associated with the account. If it's a brand new account, make sure you've completed the sign-up process on Microsoft's official site beforehand. Once you input the correct details, proceed to sign in. After successfully signing in, congratulations are in order. You've now added a new account to your OneDrive app. This will allow you to manage your files across multiple accounts within the same app, making it easier to keep your digital life organized and segmented as you see fit. Before I let you go, here are a couple of tips to ensure your experience is smooth. Remember to regularly check if the OneDrive app is up to date. Microsoft frequently releases updates that enhance security and introduce new features that could improve your experience. Also, consider organizing your files in folders specific to each account to avoid confusion and maintain a clean workspace. With these steps and tips, managing multiple OneDrive accounts should no longer be a daunting task. Whether for personal use, business, or a mix of both, you now have the knowledge to expand your OneDrive capabilities and ensure your files are always right where you need them, securely backed up and effortlessly accessible. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, feel free to reach out.